Hello, everybody. How are you all doing? It's Mourad Sultan Ezouidi again. Okay, with you, with his learners. Okay, we are going today solve polynomial to the power 5. Okay, so learners, you will learn new method. This method is known by the name of Mourad Sultan Ezouidi. Let's say the discriminant formula of Mourad Sultan Ezouidi that helps you to solve any polynomial to the power n, whatsoever. Let's say the degree of the polynomial that you are going to work with, you will find the exact roots of such a polynomial to the power n, or polynomial function or equation to the power n. Okay. So, learners, I'm looking for you to join the lecture first, okay, and to prepare yourself to do the same method, okay, or Sultan Ezouidi that leads to exact value or exact roots, okay. Means in this method you will never use factorization, or you will use, let's say, the remainder theorem, okay. With the techniques or strategies of Mourad Sultan Ezouidi will lead you to find your exact roots of the polynomial that you dream out finding its roots. Okay, so let's start, learners. I wish everything is okay for you. Just this is, let's say, my own book, solve polynomial to the power 6. Okay, I'll just show this after. Okay, I'll see this first. So learners, try to prepare, let's say, pens. Okay, and what else, Mr. Mourad? And okay, I'll see first. Okay, I will update my profile first. Okay, so learners, we told that today we learn new method. Okay, of Mourad Sultan Ezouidi, the mathematic, the professor in math. Okay, and I wish that this method will help you to find out all the roots or x roots of any polynomial. Okay, so let's start, learners. I'm going to share my own screen. Okay, now we are going to start. Okay, so learners, as you know, that I published so many books in Amazon, in European edition universities, and this one of my own books, okay, solve polynomial to the power 6. He used the discriminant formula of Mourad Sultan Ezouidi to find out the exact roots without error estimation. Means that there is my method never use the approximation method or the method of Newton, okay, because it will give you error estimation. So this book is not too expensive. Everyone or everybody can buy it, okay. And I'm going now to see if I am live or not. Okay, this is my channel on YouTube. I already, let's say, explained so many examples. Okay, this is my channel. Okay, I'll just reduce the sound, then I'm going to explain everything for you. Okay, so I'll make like that. Okay, so learners, try to focus on this method, very important. Okay, and it can, let's say, help you to think again of polynomial to the power n, of course. Okay, so let's start, learners. I'm going to we told that I'm going to solve polynomial to the power. Okay, everyone is now getting ready, okay, to understand and to use this method, which is a new method, okay, new formula of me. I will try now to proceed. Okay, this is of course one formula of that I discovered. Okay, this is of course this book deals with polynomial to the power n. Let's say the most important theories had been written in this book. Okay, you can see this, of course, edition. Okay, Universitaire Européenne. Okay, this is my book, and it had got, let's say, its own ISBN. Okay, the researcher is Mourad Sultan Ezouidi and Mohammed Radawi. Mohammed Radawi is a professor of math. Okay, that he taught me when I am in the school. Okay, of course, this book is written and me and Mr. Mohammed Radawi. Now, learners, we go. You can see this is Mohammed Radawi seat. Okay. Now I will go down. Okay, to see which formula I'm going to use to solve this polynomial to the power 5. Okay, it's very important for you, learners. Okay, to get ready. Okay, to work with me at the same time. Okay. So it's near to this. I'll just make plus to appear for you. Okay. Now, learns, I will just reduce so you can see it. I'll go down. Of course, my own theorem had been created one day and developed one day, and I published everything on European edition universities. Okay, and I got my own ISBN. So I will show you the formula I will use. Okay. I will try to go down. Yes, like that. Okay. So I will use this formula. Okay. Or the formula that had been derived from the first theorem. Okay, where is it? So every theorem, let's say, had been proved with its own proof, at least 3 methods to demonstrate a theorem. Okay, this one, yes. This formula, learners, I will use now. Okay, this is the formula, discriminant formula of Mourad Sultan Ezouidi. Okay, I'll just write the theorem, read the theorem. Let Pn of x is a polynomial to the power nq, where q, let's say, denotes its order, an denotes its degree. Therefore, Sp of order r equal either this formula or that both of them are the same, is equal to combination n minus 1 minus k, p plus 1 minus k, n raised to the power k, between parentheses, negative at 0 for the q raised to the power p plus 1 minus k times lk minus 1. Okay, just now I'll substitute p with n minus 1. Okay, now, learners, it's clear for you that this book, it's now available for you if you want to buy it or to work with it. It's very important. This is my polynomial to the power 5. I'm going to start solving it. Okay, I'll just, what is the, okay, we'll use this one. Okay, outcome is here. This one, yes. So v5 means polynomial to the power 5. I'll try to open it. Okay, and prepare yourself, learners. It's very important. This method. Okay, not only this method. In fact, there are so many methods that can help you, but I'm going to explain step by step for you to understand the procedure. Okay, Now I will start. Okay, this is my own polynomial to the power 5. I will try to find their or its exact roots. Okay, how it comes from the beginning. Okay, this is learns the polynomial to the power 5. You can see that p of x equal x raised to the power 5 minus x raised to the power 4 plus 15 divided by the square of 6x cubed minus x squared plus 603 divided by 6 raised to the power 4 times x minus 624 over 6 raised to the power 5. Therefore, learners, you can write your polynomial as that. Okay, this is my notation in polynomial. It will be p of x equal x raised to the power 5 minus L0 of O the q x raised to the power 4 plus L1 of O the q raised to the power x cubed minus L2 of O the q x squared plus L3 of O the q x minus L4 of O the q equals 0. You can, if you want to equate both polynomials, you will notice that L0 learners, okay, it will be 1, okay, means minus the minus 1, and L1 of O the q is 15 over 60 is 36. L2 it will be equal to 1. Okay, L3 of O the q is 603, okay, divided by 6 raised to the power 4, and L4 of O the q is equal 624 raised to the power divided by 6 raised to the power 5. So it's clear this is polynomial to the power 5. We are going to find the roots of this polynomial learners. At least you should determine the values of SR. SR is the coefficient of the new polynomial that you are going to use to solve this polynomial. Okay, and after calculating, let's say S0, S1, S2, S3, and S4, you will let's say make collection. You will collect all of these coefficient, and you will write your new polynomial to the power 5. After that, the solution will be at least clear for you. Okay. In this equation, may the value of SR for the Q different to 0, okay, means it's not easy to solve it, but if you will use the discriminant formula of Mourad Sultan Ezouidi and the relationship between his deep work in this research, you will get to know about the roots. Okay, let's work together and go step by step. Okay. Now, learners, I'm going to use my own formula, which is called discriminant formula of Mourad Sultan Ezouidi. This formula it's very important, okay, which is as subscript k minus 1 of order r equal the sum from 0 to k combination n minus r, choose k minus r, n raised to the power r between parentheses negative 0 for the q raised to the power k minus r times l subscript n minus 1 of O the q. Okay, just to find the value of sk minus 1 of order r, you will replace L0 for the q by its value, and Lr minus 1, which is L0, L1, L2, L3, L4, by their own values. Okay, now learners, it's clear for you that I will continue finding the value of SR minus 1 or SK minus 1 of order R. Just learns, I will go down now. To find, let's say, S minus 1 learns, it's clear that you just put K equals 0 in this formula of Mr. Mourad Sultan Ezouidi, okay. You will get S minus 1 of order R by convention, okay, it's equal to 1, okay. We proceed, learners, we continue to find S1 learns, you just put K equal 1, means set K equal 1 to write the value of S0. Therefore, I will use the discriminant formula of me, which is Sk minus 1 of order R equal the sum from 0 to K, combination n minus R, K minus, choose K minus R, of course, n raised to the power R between parentheses, negative 0 for the Q raised to the power K minus R times the coefficient of the origin polynomial. Okay. Now, if you substitute K with 1, you will get S1 minus 1 is 0. That's why here I will write 0, S0 of order R. Okay, after developing this formula, you will immediately comes to write the value of S0 for the R in terms of N and S0 for the Q, which is N minus N times L0 for the Q. You can divide this one and you will get this formula. Okay, so L0 for the Q, it's a value different to 0, but this one is 0, so 0 multiplied by 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, the value of S0 learners is 0. Now, I will try to, of course, here, I will try to substitute L0 with its value and L1 with its value and so on. Okay, I will use my own calculator. I will open this first. Okay, I'm going to use the scientific calculator, and I wish that every one of you has his own calculator so that he can work with me at the same time. Okay, I'm waiting for appearing calculator. Okay, yes, Mr. Mourad, please hurry up. Good man. Okay, calculator. Okay, good man. I will use it. I will open. Sorry. Okay, now I'm starting finding the value of a 0. It's clear. Let's say it's a general formula. Let's say tends to 0. Okay, I'll put it here if it is possible. Okay, I'll put here. Therefore, learners, what is the value of L0 is 1. I will put here 1. Okay. Then, of course, times, okay, 5 times 1. So it will be negative 5 plus 5. Negative 5 plus 5 equal 0. Okay. Therefore, now we, let's say, calculated using the formula. Okay, we calculated that is a 0 for the R is 0. So a 0 for the R for any polynomial has to be equal to 0 according to the formula. Okay, don't tell me that the value of a 0 is different to 0. So you will go again and think of your work. Okay, now to find the value of S2 learners, the value of S1, you just put K equal 2 in your. Okay, good man. Thank you. Okay, Papa. Okay. So we told that to find the S1 learners, just put K equal 2 in the discriminant formula of Mourad Sultan Ezouidi. You will get, this is the formula, of course. This is implied that S2 minus 1, because K is 2, okay, of S2 minus 1 of order R equal the sum from 0 to 2, combination N minus R, 2 minus R, N raised to the power R between parentheses negative 0 for the Q raised to the power 2 minus R, L R minus 1 of the Q. This formula, it's generalized for any polynomial. Means if you have polynomial to the power n, you should calculate S1, S2, S3 up to Sn minus 1. Okay? Therefore, after developing this formula, learners, okay, S1 equal, I will just comes here, combination and choose 2 and 0 for the Q raised to the power 2 minus n, combination n minus 1 choose 1 and 0 for the Q. This is raised to the power 2 because L0 for Q multiplied by itself. So you can note that you have a common factor, okay, plus n squared L1 for the Q, okay. So you can now, we told this is common factor, I will put outside the brackets. It will be combination n choose 2 minus n minus 1 choose 1 times the square of L0 for the Q plus n squared L1 for the Q. After simplifying these learners, you will get this one minus combination 1 choose 1 because it is S1, okay. And this one, it's an odd number. The subscript is odd number. That's why here you should appear the negative sign. Okay, combination n choose 2, the square of L0, the square of L0 for the Q plus n square L1 for the Q. This one, for any polynomial, if you want to solve any polynomial to the power n, you should find the value of this. And the formula is that, okay, for S1, this is the formula for S1. If you want to work now with polynomial to the power 2, you will get the quadratic formula, the discriminant formula in polynomial to the power 2, but there is a negative sign here. That's why S1 is that, okay, if you are going to work with boom to the power 2, you will get x squared plus s1 equals 0. Therefore, x squared equal minus s1 means minus the quadratic formula that you already know about it. Okay, so now I will just use my coefficient. Okay, I will use my coefficient in the formula. This is the value of s, the discriminant formula. When k equal 2, you will get the coefficient s1. Okay, now we'll just substitute L0 by 1 and L1 by 15 over the square of 6. How it comes here. Okay, we told the L0 learners is 1. Okay, then this one we told is 15. 15 divided by the square of 6. 15, Mr. Murad. 15. Okay, we told 15. 15 divided by what? By the square. Or I will use this one, it's better. Okay, I will use, okay, we told this one, no need. Okay, no problem. Okay, we told that Mr. Murad, this one. Please, for home, please. We told 15 divided by 6 square. 6 square. Okay, so you can use your calculator. Okay, this is square, this one is 6. Okay, then use your calculator learners and try to find the value of this one. I will use my own calculator. We told negative 1 times what? Times combination 2 choose 5 choose 2. Okay, 5 choose 2. We have, this is 4, 6, 4, 1. After that we have 1, 5. Okay, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Okay, now learners, I can evolve this or disappear this one. Sorry, again, equals 0. Okay, this is, of course, is 1. Okay, 1. Okay, now learners, this is combination 5 choose 1. This is combination 5 choose 2, means negative 10 multiplied by 1. Negative 10 multiplied by 1 is negative 10. Plus, you can see that, plus learns 5 square plus 5 square, the square of 5, multiply between parentheses. I will make, okay, I will make 15 divided by 36. 36. Then I should close the parentheses. So this one has to be equal to 10.83. Okay, I'll just repeat this. So I should appear here, okay, 6 square should appear to the first, so that I will ignore the decimal number. Okay, I will make minus 10. Okay, minus 10 multiplied by 1 squared. Multiplied by 1 squared, I will appear this for you. Okay, plus learns 25 means 5 squared times 15. Sorry. Sorry. Okay, so just a moment. Okay, we told negative 10 multiply negative 10 multiply Brahim, please, multiply by 1 squared multiply by 6 square. Okay, to get common denominator, then plus learners plus 5 squared multiply by 15 equal, okay, equal 15 divided by, okay, 36. So this one has to be equal to 15 divided by 36. 15 divided by 6 square. Okay, I will take this, it's better. Okay, but I will repeat this in front of you so that, okay, now we'll repeat again. We have, I can write this is, I should multiply this by 6 and divide by 6. Okay, I will make like that if it is possible for you. Okay, to make, let's say, to have a common denominator, this is the mean exactly. Okay, I make 6 square. 6 square divided by 6 square. Okay, 6 square divided by 6 square. This is exactly to get a fraction. So I will repeat now. It's clear this is 1, okay, and this is the same. So just make negative 10 multiplied by 36, negative 10 multiplied by 36, then plus learners what? Plus 15 multiplied by 25. By 25. This one has to be equal to what, learners? To 15 over 36. We finished this one. Okay. Okay. Now we calculated the value of S1. It remains now for us to find the value of S2. You just put, learners, what? You just put k equal to 3 to evaluate S2, okay? Therefore, this is, it's called the discriminant formula of Mourad Sultan Ezouidi, okay? And can be written as sk minus 1 over the r, the sum from 0 to k, combination n minus r choose k minus r, and raised to the power r times minus L0 for the q, all raised to the power k minus r times the coefficient of your original polynomial. Therefore, S3 minus 1, because k is 3, we just substitute k with 3. S3 minus 1, learners, it's written as S2 of all the r equal the sum from 0 to 3, combination n minus r, 3 minus r, n raised to the power r times negative L0 for the q raised to the power 3 minus 1, minus r, sorry, times the L r minus 1 of O the q. Now, learners, after developing this or expanding this, you will get S2 of 4 the r equal to combination n choose 3, L0 for the q raised to the power 3, minus combination n minus 2 choose 1, n squared, L0 for the q times L1 for the q plus n cubed L2 for the q. Therefore, I will focus on the last expression that had been developed or had been simplified, okay? Therefore, this one, it's called the coefficient or the discriminant, the value that has been derived from the discriminant formula of Mourad Sultan Ezouidi when k equals 3, okay? And for any polynomial to the power n, you should also pass or go through this value as 2, okay? Means that you should find this 2 as 3 and so on. Now, learners, I'm going to find the value of this, okay? I will use my own formula. Therefore, I'll just write this is 1, okay? This is, of course, 135 is 1 because A0 for Q is 1. This is, learners, we told is 15 over 36. 15 over 36. Or it's better to write 6 squared for you to get the point. This is 2, this is 6 squared. Okay. Plus, learners, okay, this is, I will erase this, 490, plus 5 cubed times what? 5 cubed times L2, learners, because n now is 5, times L2, you can see it is 1, okay. I will replace this is by 1. Okay, now I will calculate it, learners. We will get, of course, here I will just use my calculator, and you should multiply by 6 to the power 3 to get a fraction, okay? To ignore the decimal number, okay? And no need also to make it, to round these numbers to one significant figure or 2, or to round to one decimal place and so on, okay? Therefore, learns, this is your calculator. This is your calculator. I will erase this. I want to find the value of S2. The value of S2 is 2 times 3 choose 5 choose 3 is 10. 2 times 10 is 20. I will write 20 times 1. Okay, times 1. Now we need it. Okay, no problem. Times 1. Okay, raised to the power 3. Okay, minus what? Minus 3 times 25. Minus 3 times 25 times 15 divided by 36 plus 125. Okay, because 5 cubed times by 1 is 125. This one is equal to 113.75. You can multiply this by 216 or by 36 as you want, or by, okay, 216 to appear denominator value as 216. So it will be equal to, what? 2, okay, I will use a fraction if it is possible. Okay, okay, like that. I will write the numerator value is 24,570. Okay, divided by the 6 cubed. Okay, the cube of 6. I will now check. This is divided by 216. I will get the same value, which is 100. Okay, 13 point. I can write also here if it is possible. Equal 113.75. Okay, therefore I finished now the value of S2. Now I'm going to find the value of S3. To find S3, learners, you will go automatically to the discriminant formula of Mourad Sultan Ezouidi. Okay, Mourad Sultan Ezouidi. Okay, and you will find S4 minus 1 means S3, means you are going to find the S3. This is the formula. Okay, just replace K with 4. Okay, now I will just go to the last part. S3 equal, learners, if you are going to develop, let's say, this discriminant formula of me, you will get combination and choose 4. Okay, because R is 0 times L0 for the q raised to the power of R. When R equal 1, you will get negative n, combination n minus 1, choose 3, L0 for the q raised to the power 3 times L0 for the q plus combination n minus 2, choose 2, n squared, L0 for the q raised to the power 2 times L1 for the q minus combination n minus 3, choose 1, n cubed, L0 for the q raised to the power 1 times L2 for the q plus, when now R equal 4, you will get, this is 4 minus 4 is 0, combination n minus 4, choose 0 is 1, n raised to the power 4, let's see, n raised to the power 4 times L3 for the cube. You can see that this part and that and this are called common factor. I will write them, I will write it outside the brackets. It will be, Yaqeen, please close the door. It will be L0 for the q raised to the power 4 times combination n choose 4 minus n combination n minus 1 choose 3. This one you can simplify as that will give you negative combination 3 choose 1. Okay, times Yaqeen, come, hurry up. We told negative 3 choose 1 times combination and choose 4 times L0 for the q. Close the door. Close the door. Thank you. So plus combination n minus 2 choose 2 n squared, L0 for the q squared, L1 minus combination n minus 1 choose n minus 3 choose 1, n cubed, L0 for the q choose, of course, raised to the power 1, L2 plus n raised to the power 4, L3. I will just use my calculator. Okay, this is the coefficient of my original polynomial. Okay, I will just use this one, this expression. We told now, learners, I will make this is 1 because L0 is 1. Okay, this is, of course, L0 is 1. I will replace by 1. This is, we told is 15 over, learners, what? Over 36, or 15 divided by the square of 36. Okay, the square of 36. 6. Okay, then okay, just one minute. I will erase this one. Okay, minus combination to choose 1, 5 squared times 1 because L0 is 1 times what, learners? L2. You can see that L2 is 1. I will just write here 1. Okay, times 5 raised to the power 4 times L3 in the formula. You see, this is L3. That's why L3 is 600 divided by 6 cubed. 600 divided by 603 divided by the cube of 6. Okay, I will make 603 divided by the cube of 6. Okay, so I will erase this one. Now I will calculate it. Okay, now learners, I will just use my calculator. I will come here. We have, okay, minus 3 times 5, it's minus 20, plus learners 3 times 25, plus 3 times 25, 3 times 25, times 15, times 15, divided by 36, minus what? Minus 2 times minus 2 multiplied by 125, because 5 cubed, multiply by 1, okay, never change, plus 5 raised to the power 4 is 625, multiply learners by what? By 603, divided by 6 cubed means 216. So this one has to be equal to, I can multiply this by 216. I will get, okay, I will get 325,305. So therefore, I will write here, I will make, let's say, 325, 305. Okay, divided by, we told, by 6 cubed. Okay, so this is the value of S2. You can write here as a decimal number, okay, and you should round your answer to 1 decimal places or to whole number. No need, because I'm going to give you the exact value. Okay, this is the value of S3 learners. Okay. Again, Mr. Murad, the formula minus, okay, 3, okay, and okay, 1 raised to the power 4 plus combination n minus 2 means 3 choose 2, 5 squared, L0 for the Q is 1 squared, yes, times L2, L1 is 15 over 36 squared, minus combination 2 choose 1, correct, n cubed, correct, times L0 for the Q is 1, times L2 is 1, therefore plus L3 for the Q times N4, correct, will be 5 squared times 6, excellent. Therefore now I will close this one. You can note that all the sk minus 1 are different to 0 except S0, okay. Now I will continue learners. I want now to find the last value of sk minus 1, where k equal 5. I will replace k equal 5 in my discriminant formula. This is the formula of me. Sk minus 1 for the r equal the sum of 0 r from 0 to k, combination n minus r, choose k minus r, and raised to the power r times minus l0 for the q raised to the power k minus r times lr minus 1 for the q. Therefore, when you substitute k with 5, you will get 5 minus 1, which gives you S4. After developing this or expanding this, you will get the last part, which is S4 equal combination 4 choose 1, combination n choose 5, L0 for the q raised to the power 5 minus combination n minus 2, choose 3, n squared, L0 for the q raised to the power 3 times L1 for the q plus combination n minus 3, choose 2, n cubed, L0 for the q squared, L2 for the q minus combination n minus 4, choose 1, n raised to the power 4, L0 for the q raised to the power 1, L3 for the q plus n raised to the power 5, L4 for the q. Therefore, I finished now finding the 6 values of sk minus 1 for the r. Okay, that will give you a new polynomial related to the original polynomial that we tend to find the exact value of it. Okay, now learners, I told that We'll use this formula from my own book, of course. Okay, if you want, okay, for each theorem of mine, we have three demonstration or three proofs. Sorry, okay, and the three methods or three demonstration leads to the same what to the same result. Okay, I'll show. Okay, you can buy this book, Learns. It's not too expensive. Okay, proof one, proof two, proof one, proof two. Okay. Wait for me, please. Also, we created logarithms that that use my theorem. Okay, I'll try to find it. Okay, we continue. We continue, learners. Okay, we continue. We told I will try now to find the value of S4. Okay, the value of S4. Thank you. Thank you, my wife. Okay. Now, learners, the value of S4 is that I will make this is, of course, we told after developing the discriminant formula of Mourad Sultan Ezouidi when k equal 5, we'll got S4, we'll get S4 for the I equal combination 4 choose 1 times combination 5 choose 5 is 1 times 1 raised to the power 15 minus combination 3 choose 3 5 squared times 1 cubed because a 0 for the q is 1 cubed times 15 divided by 36. 15 divided by 36. Okay, or the square of 36. I will write here square of 36. Okay, so this method is very important. It will give you correct answer, correct values. Okay, without there is no estimation. Okay, and even the method of Newton will give you approximation. Okay, he uses approximation, the method of approximation method to find the roots, but there is a mistake inside this method. Okay, therefore I will continue. I will use this one. Okay, we told the L1 is 15. Now I will make here 1 learns. Okay, this is multiplied by L2. I think that is 1. L2 is 1. Okay, then I will use L3. Of course, this is L0 is 1. Okay, this is learns is 603. 603 divided by what? By the cube of 6. The cube of 6. Then plus learners 5 raised to the power 5 times L4. L4 is 624. 600 624. Yaqeen, 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 please close the door, please. Yaqeen. So I will now find Yaqeen. Yaqeen. So many times I told you, please close the door. Thank you. Okay, now learners, I will come here. I will use my own calculator. Okay. It's clear that this is, of course, 4 learners raised to the power 4 because This is 624 divided by 6 raised to the power 4. It's clear that the common denominator is 6 raised to the power 4. Okay, I will try to appear as a fraction. Okay, I will appear here as a fraction, then I will just calculate it, the numerator value. Okay, means this is, okay, it will be 4 times 1 times 1 is 4. I will write 4 here. 4 where? No, I will write here 4. Okay, minus 3 choose 3 is 1, 25 times 15 divided by 15 divided by 36. This is of course L1. L1 is 6 squared. 15 divided by 6 squared. Okay. Plus learns what? Plus combination choose 2 means 125 because 5 cubed times 1. Okay, minus 625, 5 raised to the power 4 times 603 times Mr. Mourad, 603 divided by 216 because 6 cubed. Okay, plus what? Plus 5 raised to the power 5. Okay, times 624 times 624. Okay, divided by what? Divided by 6 raised to the power 4. Okay, so this one has to be equal to this. It's a decimal number. No need to round it to a whole number or one decimal place or two decimal place or to significant one for first significant figure and so on. Just I will write it as a fraction. Means I should multiply this by 6 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 6 raised to the power 4. Okay, to find the value of the numerator. It will be negative, so this one has to be equal to negative 157,566. Okay, so this is of course, okay, we told okay, now I found, let's say, the values of sk minus 1 of order r. Therefore, I will come here, I will come to write my polynomial to the power, my new polynomial to the power 5. Okay, therefore we can see that after exact work that the value of s0 is 0. Okay, but except, of course, I will write except, or I will write this after. Okay, cut, no need, except I'll just write them here. Okay, S1 we told is 15. S1 is, or I will use this one. No. Okay, is equal 15 divided by what? By the square. 15 divided by 6 square. I will use this. It's very important, this method, learners. Any polynomial, if you want to solve any polynomial, you should use my own theorem, my own discriminant formula. Okay, you will travel to everywhere. Okay, you should use my discriminant formula. Okay, that had been generalized to any polynomial to the power n. Okay, after that we have other techniques also, learners, but I'm going to let you learn from you how can you solve polynomial, okay, and find out the exact value, the exact roots of it without any problem. Okay, and after that we can extend our imagination. Okay, we can, let's say, evolve our fields of thinking. Okay, I'll make the 6 square here. Okay, 6 square. No. 6 square here. Okay, I will use this because I need it. Copy. So now S2, we found the value of S2. We told what, learners? We find it before S2. This is S4. S4 is that. I will write here S4, it's better. Okay. This is S4 is negative 157,000. Negative 157,566 divided by what? By 6 raised to the power 4. Good man, Mr. Mourad. Okay. Now I'm trying to find the value of S3. We calculated before. I will go back to this one, or I prefer to find the value of S2 first. S3 it's clear. S2 learns is okay. Is that is 113.27. 113.27. 113.27. 113. 113.27. Okay. And S3 is that S3 learns S3 Mr. Murad is that S3 here. Okay, S3 is that I will try to take it as it is. Okay, okay. I will close this one. S3, this one S3 equal. Okay, I will now write. Is it possible? I will make this one equal. Okay, 325,305. My God. Okay, 325, 305, 325, 325, 305. Okay, and this is 6 raised to the power 3. Copy. 6 raised to the power 3. Okay, I'll just make 3 here. So, and this one learns, we told that 113. I will use this one. Okay, copy. 113, we told that is equal to what? 113.75. Okay. Okay, I will accept as a decimal number here because two decimal number, no problem. 2 digit after decimal point. Therefore, now learners, I'm going to use okay my I will write my new polynomial, which is that. Okay, I will just copy this again. Okay, to write it again. Then I will erase this. No need for this. This is for another polynomial to the power 5. Okay, Control V. Okay, so S0 learns is 0. 0 times x4, no need to write it. Okay, plus S1. S1 here, what here is 15 divided by, okay, 15 divided by 36. 15 divided by 36. I will erase. Okay, sorry, 15 divided by 36. Then minus S2 learns is 113. 113.75. Good man. I will erase. Okay, 113.75. You can appear this as a fraction, okay? And of course, we told S2 minus S2. Okay, plus S3 learns is what? Okay, plus we told okay, plus S3. S3 is 325,000. 325,000 divided by cube of 6. And S4 is negative. Negative and negative. So, because this is negative S4. S4 is already negative. So, I will just write, or I will write as it is, no change. Then I will, okay, I will make plus because minus multiplied by minus is plus. Therefore, now I obtain my new polynomial to the power 5. I will now solve this. If you solve this, means that you can find the roots of the original polynomial. The original polynomial learns is that can be written as that. I will just use this one. Sorry. Mhm. I'll make. All right. Okay. This is no need. I will erase it. Okay. Now learners. Okay. So alpha. I will make it change. I will make alpha. Or I think I wrote it down. Okay. Yes. I will just erase this. Okay. Now, learners, you are going to find the roots of the new polynomial to the power 5. Okay, let's say here alpha of order alpha subscript k belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 equal. I will write you the formula. Equal learners L0 of order q plus xk k belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 divided by 5. Okay. Which is equal learners L0 for the Q, YK belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and I should divide this by 6. Okay, now learners, if you want to, let's say, expand this or use cross multiplying, you will get L0 for the Q times 6 plus XK times 6 equal 5 times L0 for the Q plus 5 YK. We are going to work out the value of SK. Okay, I will just write here. This is learners, okay, this is 6. I multiply this by 6 where yes 6, and the six learners is 4. So 6 times correct x. If you want, I'll make this is x big. You close the door and tell your sister to reduce her voice. Okay, I'll make big if it is possible. X. Okay, and y also I'll make it bigger. Okay. Okay, therefore the x is the roots of the new polynomial that we found it, and y is the roots of another new polynomial, okay, that has a power of 6. You will see this after learners, okay. Therefore, I'll just check cross multiplying this multiplied by this, okay, equal 5 multiplied by y from where? From 1 to 3 and 4 and 5, okay. Okay, therefore, I told that I'm looking for xk. I'll just write here xk learners. Xk is equal to xk. This is minus L0, correct? Plus 5 divided by 6. Good man, Mr. Murad. 5 divided by 6 because I'm going to obtain my roots from what? I will stop at this level, meaning that I'm going to find my roots of this new original, this new polynomial that has been related to the original polynomial of the to the power 5, okay, from a polynomial to the power 6. At this moment, we are going to suppose, not to suppose, we should write the following, okay? Comes back Mr. Murad to the original polynomial. Therefore, polynomial to the power 6 means that this one is 0 plus this one has to be equal to 0, okay? Plus 0 or minus 0 whatsoever. So this is, in fact, is polynomial to the power what learns to the power 6. We just multiply the green polynomial, this one by x, you will get this. Okay. After that, we are going to find S0, S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, and find the roots of your polynomial. You see the intelligence of Mr. Mourad Sultan Ezouidi. Okay, we will just, first of all, okay, save this one. Okay. Now, learners, I will go back here. Okay, I'll come as here, learners. I will try to offer you time to explain this for you. Okay. Okay. The best learner in the world, how are you? Okay, this one is, I'm still with you, learners. Don't go so far. I'm still. Okay, this is, I will close this, learners. I'm still with you. Don't go so far. If you want to have, let's say, to drink a coffee or espresso, you can do this. Okay, I will wait for you, and I wish that you get an idea how can you think, how can you solve polynomial to the power n. It's not easy, in fact. Okay, there are some websites that are using logarithms, but they give wrong answers. I will explain this after. Okay. First, this one. Okay, power 6. Yes, meaning the secret here, you will get the point to the power 5. Then you can get the zero of this polynomial. There is a relationship between roots of point to the power 6 and the roots of point to the power 5. Okay, means we will extend, not to reduce the polynomial to, because those who reduce their polynomial, for example, to the polynomial to the power 20, reduce it to 19, means that he has a problem for solving this problem from this polynomial to the power to this polynomial that he or she is working with. Okay. Now, learners, we told that I'm still with you. Okay, but I'm going to check my connection. Okay, so we continue, and we told that. Okay. Mm-hmm. We told that we are going to work. Okay, to work. Okay, good man. Which one? This, that. Okay, this. Okay. Now, learners, we told that I should set L. What is it? I should set here. I will use this one, or I will use after. No, I will use now. Okay, I'll make copy for this because I need it, and you will see the main important techniques and strategies and procedures that helps you to think again of coming to the power n. Even learners don't tell that I'm solving only polynomial to the power n, but also equation to the raised to the power n. Okay, really, there are from a polynomial you can derive so many formula. Okay, I will continue to give you a slight idea about this polynomial. Okay, okay, I'll go back. Now we reached, or we wrote our new polynomial to the power 5, this one. Okay, and we thought that this is, of course, minus, and minus will disappear, because minus S4 is negative 157, 566 divided by 6 raised to the power 4 minus 1 to my minus is that. Okay, now you can see you get polynomial to the power 5. Only S0 equals 0, the rest different to 0. Now try to solve this. Okay, I will tell you that. Okay, this is our polynomial that we are going to work with. Okay, what is it, Mr. Mourad? Okay, yes, okay. This polynomial is that we told I will make down if it is possible, or just a moment. Okay, okay, yes. Now the pages are closer, neighbors. Okay, now learners, this is my polynomial. I will write first the coefficient. I will use after. Okay, This is the coefficient that I will use. Okay, now I will use this also. Okay, copy Mr. Mourad. Okay, done. Okay, no problem. Okay, this is the polynomial told. Now I will go to write here exactly. Okay, this is we told is 1. Okay, is 1. Is 1, so it's clear. Okay, plus learners exactly plus. Okay, equation we told plus 15 divided by 36 by the square of 36, Mr. Murat. The square of 36. 6 then square. Okay, this is the value of L1. I will use this one because I need it. Please come, what happened? I will wait. Okay, good man. Now minus what? Minus 1, of course. Minus 1 we thought. Then okay, make here minus 1. Minus 1 means minus only. I will just write minus. Then I will erase the rest. Okay, minus x cubed plus learners what? Plus, okay, I'll make here plus. Plus, we told plus 1, plus 1, no need the rest. 1 I will erase it because it's clear. Minus, okay, okay, L3 plus L3, Control V. Here I will make plus learners. Plus, okay, this is 603. 603. Okay, divide by cube, 6 cubed, cube of 6. Okay, and the last one, I will use this already. Okay, minus what? Minus 603 divided by 6 raised to the power 4. Okay, 624, Mr. Murat. Okay, 24. Okay, of course, this is x6 minus, okay, x is to the power 5 plus 15 over 6 squared x4 minus x cubed plus, plus x cubed. We repeat this again, and this one comes here. Okay, plus, so L3 plus L3, yes, this one L3. So this one comes here. Okay, and this one comes here, Mr. Murad, minus L4. L4 is positive, so here minus 624. Okay, 624. 24. This is 6 raised to the power 4. Plus what? Plus 0. Plus L4. L4 is 0. Plus L5 is 0. Plus, I will make plus learners. Plus 0. Okay. Now, learners, you will just add here something. Okay. Okay, you make like that. This one equal to 0. Okay. 0, not 0. Okay. Because L5 is 0. Now, learners, I will try to start working on this polynomial. Okay. Green. Okay. I will continue now, learners. Of course, this is, we told I will need this one because it's very important. Copy. Maybe this one, the last one, I will need the blue one. Okay, Mr. Murad. Okay, we continue. We continue. Okay, now I will go down, learners, to continue solving my polynomial. Okay, I'll come here like that. Good man. Okay, now learners, let's focus on this polynomial to the power. Let's focus on this polynomial, learners. Or is this one? This is yellow. So this polynomial, in fact, is polynomial to the power 6 because its highest power is 6. Okay. I'm going to find the value of SR for the Q, where R belongs to the set of numbers -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Okay. I will start now, learners. So focus on the method. It's very important. Okay, it comes here. Okay, it comes here again. No, okay. Again. Okay. Again, like that. Good man. Okay. Go down. Okay. Now learners, this is we call it 0. Is 0. Okay. So to find, let's say this is okay. This is the coefficient of my polynomial to the power 6. I will use the discriminant formula of Mourad Sultan Ezouidi, learners. Okay, home. Okay, the formula is the sum from 0 to k. Okay, a combination n minus r, choose k minus r, n raised to the power r times negative 0 for the q raised to the power k minus r times l r minus 1 for the q. Okay, now just substitute k with the learners with 0. We'll get the value of s minus 1, which is equal always to 1 by convention. Okay, is minus 1. Now this is what all it's the formula had been derived from discriminant formula of Mourad Sultan Ezouidi when k equal 1 will gives you when k equal 0, it will be s0 minus 1, which is s minus 1. All the sum of this is equal to 1. Okay, this is by convention. Now learners, I will continue. I will try to find what exactly. I will try to find the value of s0. It's clear for you that it is 0. We told before it's 0. Okay, simply because when you substitute k with 1, you will get n minus n times s0 for the q, which is in fact equal to 0. So the value of s0 for the r for any polynomial to the power n is 0. Okay, now I will okay, now you are going to use your n calculator to find okay, this is of course minus 6 times 1 plus 6 times 1 is 0. Okay, no need to calculate it, learners, because it's clear for you. Okay, I should find now the value of what? The value of S1. Okay, I will rearrange this first. Okay, at the same time, learners, try to use your calculator. I'll come here to rearrange this, learners, please. Okay, comes there. Okay. So for k equal to S1 is equal, okay, no problem. I will use this color. So for k equal to learners, we found S1 of order R is the sum from 0 to 2, combination n minus R, choose 2 minus R, n raised to the power R, between parentheses, negative L0 for the Q raised to the power 2 minus R times the coefficient of your polynomial to the power 6. Okay? After developing this formula, you will get this one. So this one equal to negative combination 1 choose 1, which is 1 in fact, combination n choose 2, L0 for the q raised to the power 2 plus n squared L1. The n here is 6, okay? Therefore, you will use this one, of course, the L0 for the 5, F5 for the 0, 5, q is 0. This is also a 0 learners, okay? Because the last coefficient of your polynomial is 0. Therefore, when you're calculating this, you will get S1 equals 0, just calculation. It will be combination minus 1 choose 1, 6 choose 2, 1 squared plus 6 squared divided by 6 squared is 1. So here 15, and this is 15 will give you 0. Now, I will try to find S2, sorry. S2 learn just substitute K with 3 in the formula. When you substitute K with 3, okay, you will get a formula learners. This formula is very important, okay, because it will give you the value of what? The value of S2. Okay, now it comes here, learners. We told S2 is equal to combination R sum from 0 to 3, combination n minus R, choose 3 minus R, n raised to the power R, between parentheses, negative L0 for the Q raised to the power 3 minus R, LR minus 1 for the Q, equal minus combination, n choose 3, L cubed, L0 for the Q, all cubed, plus n combination n minus 1 choose 2, L0 for the Q squared times L0 for the Q. This one is common factor. I put it here. It will be 2 times combination n choose 3 because this one can be simplified as 2 times combination and choose 3. Then the rest has been written as they are, means minus combination n minus 2 choose 1 and squared L0 for the q times L1 for the q plus n cubed. I will find the value of this. If you use a calculator learners, you will find this one is equal to is this one, the value of this is equal to 196. I will use, okay, this one, maybe I will make green. Okay, so we told that the value of S2 is equal to 196. If you want to use a calculator, okay, no problem. I will make like that. I will work with you at the same time. We have negative 2 choose 1 is 2 times what learns times 6 choose 3. It will be 6 factorial. Okay, 6 times 5 times 4 divided, okay, multiply by 3 factorial, divide by 3 factorial. So it will be 6 by 4. I will calculate it now. We told 6 times 5 times 4, okay, divided by 6. This one equal to 40. Okay. Means combination 6 to 3 is 20. So it will be 2 times 20 times 1. It's the same, minus 4 times minus 4 times learners 15. Okay, because 6 squared, it will be cancelled. Then plus 256 plus 216, sorry, plus 216. So this one equal 196. Therefore, I will continue learners. I should find now the value of, okay, the value of what? Of course, we told our polynomial, the last coefficient is equal to 0. That's why here L5 is 0. Okay, equal 0. Now, I'm going to find the value of S3. Value of S3, Mr. Murad. Okay. S3 just you can substitute. Okay, you will get S3 equals 0. If you want to calculate this for you, I will do it. Okay, I'll make this one yellow, and this one is okay. I will use this color if it is possible. Okay, you can see it, isn't it? Therefore, I will calculate this. So this is our calculator. We told that okay, -3 -3 times 4 6 minus okay 6 times 5 30. Okay, it will be 15 times 15. Okay, plus combination 4 choose 2 is 6. I will write 6 times 15 times 15. Okay, because 36 divided by 36 is 1. Minus 3 times 216 minus minus 3 times 216 plus what, learners? You see this one? 6 raised to the power 4 divided by 6 raised to the power 4 is 1 plus only 603 plus 603. Therefore, the value of S3 learners is 0. Okay, I will close this parenthesis. Now I'm going to find the value of this. It remains only S4 and S5. Okay, this is blue. Okay, and the value of S learners is 0 because we extend the power. So this one learners, okay, we change to green color. Okay, now I will give you time to write the value of S4. Okay, if it is possible, of course. Okay, try to do it, learners. I'm waiting for you. Okay. Now I will calculate this. S4, this is S4. I will make my calculator. What is your calculator, Mr. Murad? Okay, you can see that this is 4 times 5 times 6, 24. I will write 24. Then minus 4 times 15, because 6 squared divided by 6 squared is 1. Also this one, 6 4 divided by 6 4 is 1. And 6 5 divided by 6 5 is 1. I will just write the coefficient. So minus 4 times 15 times 15 times 15 plus 3 times 216 because 6 cubed plus 3 times 216 or 6 cubed as you like minus 2 times 603 minus 2 times 603 plus what? This is 6 raised to the power 5 divided by 6 raised to the power 5 is 1. I will just write plus what, learners? Doesn't work on my desk. Okay, plus 624. What is it? 624. What happened to my desktop? Okay, I will raise this. Alas. I will repeat again. I will put this here in front of you so that you can see it. So that 4 times 6 is 24. Okay, minus 4 times 15 minus 4 times 15 times 15. Then learners times 15. Okay, times 15. Okay, plus 3 times 216 plus 3 times 216 minus 2 times minus 2 times combination to choose 1 times 603 times 603 plus what? Plus 500 plus Mr. Murad plus 624 plus 624 624. Okay. Okay, just a moment. We have 4 times 6 24. Okay, minus okay, just a moment. I come here to the formula. Okay, we told that okay, L4 this one 6, okay, 603. We told 4 times 24, 4 times 6, okay, minus 4 times 15, minus 4 times 15, 4 times 15. Okay, good man. Okay, okay, this is minus 6 minus 2 is 4, okay, and squared, correct, okay, 15, plus 2, 6 minus 3 is 3, choose 2, and there is 2, okay, plus 3, plus 3, multiply by 216, okay, minus, yes, minus 2 times 603, 603. Okay. And so this is, it will be 594. 594. Okay. Okay. This is 594. 500, 594. Okay. I'll continue now. This is the 594. So this is equal to 0. I will continue here. Just I will replace this by 594. 594. Okay. Comes here, Mr. Murad. 900, 900, 900, and 594. Okay. 594. Okay, this is 594. Sometimes when writing the number, something will change. Okay. Okay, I have a bad desktop here, but no problem. 500 and 594, Mr. Murad. Okay, this is 594. 594. Okay, this is 0. 594. 594, Mr. Murad. 594. Okay. Now I'll just okay, this is 594. 594, sorry, 94. I will calculate this again. Okay, so it will be we told okay, 4 multiplied by 1 is 4, minus 25 minus 25 minus 25 times 15 times 15 divided by 36 plus 125 plus 125 Okay, plus 125 times 1 times 1. Okay, minus 625 minus 625 multiply by 603 divided by 216, 6 cube divided by 216 plus 5 raised to the power 5 multiply by 594 divided by what, Mr. Mourad? Divided 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 by 6 raised to the power 4 by 6 raised to the power 4. This one equal multiply by 6 raised to the power 4. Okay, to get a whole number. So it will be 200 minus 251. Okay, 251, 316. Yes, okay. Okay, I will take this. Okay, only this value. Now this one, it will be, we told S4 is that S3 or S4 plus amount. Yes, it will be, oh, I should close this. Okay, sorry. Okay, it will be, yes, it will be this one negative 251 360. Okay, this is S4. Okay, plus 251 360. Okay, now of course this is 594. Okay, what comes here? 594, 500, Mr. Mourad, 94, 594. Can you please give me my calculator? 5 الحاسبة مالك. هاي لا حاسبة هناك، لا حاسبة هناك، هلا لي في التليفون وتهي. 594 594. Okay, 594. لحظة بقاتي نجي. This is 594. What is this? Okay, now I reach the whole context. 594. Okay. 594. 594. Okay. Okay. Now I'll go back to this one. Here. Okay. This is, we told it's 900 and okay. 04. Okay, correct, heavy. Unless we go to this one. Close this. Okay, closed already. Okay. I will use my calculator, my scientific calculator, to check this one. Okay, calculator, scientific. We have, okay. Okay. It will be 4 times 6, 24. Minus 4 times 15. Minus 4 times 15. Plus 3 times 216. Minus 2 times 603. Yes, plus 500, correct. This is 594. Okay, we continue. Now I will, this is with all the 0, of course. This is another thing we solved before. So this is 594. You can use my mobile if you want. Now, learners, I will just find the value of S5 and we finish it. Okay. This is 594. 594. Okay. I will use my calculator to figure out the value of this one. We have learners. Bismillah. This is, of course, a blue. Okay. No. So we told that we'll calculate now S5. S5, you should put K equals 6 and write your own formula. It will be a S5 for the R, the sum from 0 to 6, and the combination n minus R, so 6 minus R, n raised to the power R, between parentheses, negative 0 for the Q raised to the power 6 minus R, L R minus 1 for the Q. This formula, when developing this formula, or when expanding or changing or replacing R with 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, up to 5, okay, up to 6, you will get the last formula. This one has been simplified, okay, or written in its lowest term. So it will be S5 for the R equal negative combination 5 choose 1 and 0 for the Q raised to the power 6 plus n cubed, n squared, L0 for the Q raised to the power 4 times L1 minus n cubed, L0 Q cubed, L2 for the Q plus n raised to the power 4 times L0 for the Q squared multiplied by L3 for the Q minus n raised to the power 5 L0 for the Q raised to the power 1 times L4 for the Q plus n raised to the power 6 times L5 for the Q. This last one is the same as that, okay? Had been derived from the formula, discriminant formula of Mourad Sultan Ezouidi. This S5 is generalized for any point to the power n. Okay, now I will continue to calculate what? To calculate, learners, the value of S5. Okay, how it comes here now. This is the value of S5. I will calculate it. Comes here, Mr. Mourad. Sorry. Okay, so we told that this is negative 5 plus 15 minus 200 minus 216 plus 603 plus 603 minus 594 minus 594 plus 6 raised to the power 6 times 0 is 0 plus 0 if you want plus what? Plus 0. This one is plus, we thought, plus 0. Okay, this one is equal to negative 197. So this one is equal to negative 197. Okay, now I finish it, the work. I will just write S5 is equal to this one, that this need. Of course, equal 0 here, except S2 and with the U, and S5, which is equal to negative 197. Okay? Okay. With me, he told? Okay. Okay. Now, learners, 258025. Correct. Thank you, my wife. Thank you for your help. Okay. Now, learners, we just figure out the value of s minus 1, s0, s1, s2, s3, s4, s5 for polynomial to the power 6. Okay. Now I will solve this one, learners. And I will come here. I will write my new polynomial. So to this, the new polynomial has to be written as. I will make this is with different color if it is possible. Okay, green maybe. Okay, okay. Therefore, I told that. Okay, minus s2. Polynomial to the power 5 has to be written as x raised to the power 6 minus s0 for the r x raised to the power 5. There is a relationship between s0 for the r to, of this polynomial to the s0 for the r to the polynomial of order 5, okay? Plus s1 for the rx4 minus s2 rx3 plus s3 rx2 minus s4 rx1 plus s5 r equals 0. Means p of x equal x raised to the power 6 minus s2 uh, of order r x cubed plus s5 of order r equals 0. Therefore, I will use I will use my formula. It will be I will write this first again. Okay, okay. I need this one, or I will replace S2 and S5 with their own values. Copy. Okay, I'll write here. Therefore, this is negative 100, negative 196, and this is negative or positive, negative. Because what? Because I'll just check again. Okay, yes, S2 is 196. Okay, S2 is 196, 96. Therefore, plus means here minus 197. Equal, of course, equal 0. Again, Mr. Murad, S5 is negative 197. Okay. Now, it's clear this is polynomial to the power 6, but you can reduce this polynomial to the power 3. Just suppose or pose y equal x cubed. Therefore, I will use immediately my formula. S1 of order r equal negative S2 of order r squared plus 4 S5. So it will be negative 196 plus, okay, plus 4 times what? Between parentheses, negative 197. Okay, I will use my calculator. Therefore, it will be negative 196 squared, okay, minus plus 4 times minus 197. It will be minus 4 multiplied by 197. This one is equal to negative 39,204. Okay, 39,000 equal, what is it? Equal negative 39,200 and okay, 204. Please be careful. Equal minus, okay. Therefore, this is S1 of order R equal negative 39,204. Now, S minus S1 of order R is equal to what, learners? Please, Baron, please, Baron, please, Baron, please, go. You take this. Hurry up. Go to the kitchen. Okay. Now I will use my calculator. I should find the root of this. I will try to find the root of this without decimal, without writing the answer as decimal, but I will leave as a surds. minus root of 39,204. Okay, equal, what's this? Okay, 39,204 raised to the power 0.5. This one is equal, learners, to 190. Okay, good man. This one is equal to, between parentheses, I will use this one. Okay, control C, Mr. Murat. This one is equal to, I will erase this like that, equal 198. I thought, I will check. Equal, okay, squared, it will be 30. Yes, correct. Okay, now I will use this one. Of course, this is the formula. So I will make like that, then like that. So we told x cubed is equal s2 of odd r plus root of negative s1 of odd r divided by 2. Means 196 plus root of 198, I thought. Okay, divide by 2. So it will be, I will use my calculator, 198. Root of 198 squared is 198. So 196 plus 198 equal, then I should divide by 2. Equal, divided by 2. Divided by 2. Equal what, Mr. Murad? Equal 197. Equal 197. Good man. Exponential to k I pi. Therefore, xk from 0 to 1 and 2 is the cube root of this, minus 197, 17, okay, which is equal to the cube root of 197 exponential to k I pi over 3. Therefore, the roots of the original polynomial has to be equal to L0 for the cube plus xk from 0 to 2 divided by 6, which is 1 plus cube root of 197 exponential to k I pi over 3 divided by 6, okay, which equal to the last part, which is this, okay, 7, okay. Now, this is the first three roots, okay. Of course, one is real and the rest, the other two roots are complex number. Now let's check, because this is plus and this has to be equal minus. So minus 198. Okay. This one, I will use my calculator to make the difference between both. I'll just write 196 minus 190, 98. 196 minus 198. Then I should divide by 2. Divided by 2. This one has to be equal to minus 1. Equal minus 1. Okay. Therefore, minus 1 is negative number. Okay. I'll just write xk equal cube root. I can write it as that. Okay. I can use this one, learners. It will be, this one has to be equal to what? To exponential I pi. Okay, minus 1 is exponential I pi times 2k I pi. Okay, minus 2k plus 1, 2k plus 1 multiplied by I pi. So this one, because minus 1, I will write it as that. Sorry, because I feel I'm excited. So I pi, where is pi, Mr. Murad? Pi, and this is exponential. Therefore, you have same base, different indices, multiplication sign. This one has to be equal to exponential. Okay, I will do it, no problem. Exponential. Then this is, okay, we told between parentheses 2k plus 1 I pi divide by, okay, I pi. Where is I pi, Mr. Murad? This is I pi divided by what? By 1. Okay, and this is exponential. Learners, the power here is 3. So xk, you should find the cube root of this. Therefore, xk is that, learners. It's clear. That's it. Okay, that is equal to, I will make here divide by 3. Divide by 3. Okay. When k equal 1, you will get minus 1. Means here also we have a root, a real root, which is minus 1. Okay. Now, alpha k is, okay, I will just go down if it is possible. Alpha k equal what exactly? L0 for the cube plus xk, which is L0 for the cube is 1 plus xk is that. Okay, I will just make, okay, I will raise this 0. So divide by 6. I'll just write this as that. So this is the last answer. Okay. Now I will close the parentheses. Close this one. Okay. Go down now. Let's see the first method. We can see the second method if it is possible, of course. Second method is that I will just make the second method. I will make blue. Okay. Green. Okay. Blue. Okay. Blue, it's better. Therefore, this is the second method. We told that ik equal, correct, x cubed equal u. Therefore, p of x equal that. Here, of course, plus what, learners? Plus s5. Okay. Plus s5. Okay, equal 0 means that, okay, it comes down, means that u squared minus s2 plus what? Plus Mr. Moran, plus s5 close parentheses equal 0. Therefore, here I can use discriminant formula. Okay, it remains the same. Okay, I will. So we told u squared equal either this or that. Try to. Okay, I will immediately give you the roots because I'm very exhausted. Okay, okay. We told that this is, okay, that this is no need. Okay. Of course, this is no need. Okay. Now just solve this question, learners. You will make s1 dash equal s2 dash s2 squared minus 4 times s5, which is the same as that. Therefore, now I can conclude, learners. Okay, I'm making my laptop work. Okay. Therefore, we told that this is the roots. Now xk, I will just focus on xk, learners. Okay. Xk is that is exponential 2k plus 1 I pi over 3, and is that also cube root of 197 exponential 2k I pi over 3. Okay, these are the roots of the new polynomial that we found from polynomial to the power 6. Okay, and these are the roots, learners. Okay, you can see that when k equal 1, you will get 0 because alpha is equal to 0 because you extend your polynomial to the power 6. I will just make this Control C, and then I will come back to my own polynomial to the power 5 that we started with. Okay, it's difficult, in fact, okay, for you to solve this kind of question, but your pioneer methods, Mourad Sultan Ezouidi, is here to give you a slight idea about this polynomial to the power 5, else to the power 6. Okay, now I will come here. Okay, we told that let's see the roots of my polynomial to the power. What is it exactly? I will take this also, I need it. Okay, yes. Okay. I will use this formula, learners. Add this one, control, copy. Now we told that, okay, this one. I learned x. We told that we should find what xk. Xk, where is the y? Okay, we told y and xk. The xk, the yk. Therefore, I'm looking for xk. 0, 1, 2. This is 2. Okay. Xk from 0 to 3 and 5 also. Okay. We told minus 0 plus 5 times xk. Xk, here okay, yk. Xk, this is xk 4 to the power 5. This is yk 4 to the power 6 minus 5, correct? This is y, learns. Okay, this is y because we already found y. Okay, now xk from 0 to 1 to 3 and 4. Here you should eliminate something here. We told you should eliminate, let's say, learners when k equal 1, because it gives you here minus 1, okay, and the value of the roots will be 1 minus 1 is 0 divided by 6 is 0, means that you solve it to the power 5 by extending its order or its highest power. Therefore the first root is 0. Okay, 4 to the power 6 because we extend this one. Now I will ignore x equal 1, means here k equal 1 should be ignored. Okay, no use. Therefore, okay, the alpha and the roots of my polynomial is that, learners. The roots are let's say, of course, here 2k plus 1. It will be okay. This is okay for the first three roots. Okay, we don't have problems. For the second three roots, we told when k equal 1 will give you 0, means that it's a root. It's a root of 2 to the power 6. So you should ignore the k equal 1 here. Okay. Now the roots are alpha k. I will just continue now. Alpha or beta as you like. Okay, I will write here beta equal. How to write it? Okay, no problem. Equal fraction. Okay, we told is 1 plus exponential. I will take this. Okay, I will take this one. Copy. Therefore, we told this one is that. Okay, this is alpha. Yes, correct. Or beta whatsoever. There is no difference, in fact. Okay, k equal, this is we told 1, so no need. I will make it, okay. So it doesn't work here. Okay, no problem. Alpha k, alpha Mr. Murad. Okay, alpha. This is alpha. I will write alpha K belongs to what? K belongs to where it belongs, yes. In parentheses, we told 0, uh, 0 and 2, okay? Because 20 to the power 5 equal 1 plus, this is divided by 6, okay? This is, okay, divided by 6, okay? It will be exponential, okay, exponential, exponential, exponential 2k, this is a fraction, fraction is Mourad, 2k plus 1, 2k between parentheses, 2k plus 1, second parentheses, pi divided by what? Pi divided by 3. Okay, this is the first two roots. Okay, and the second two roots are that ones. And I'll write and alpha from 0 now to 1 to 2, because polynomial to the power 5 has 5 roots, these 2 roots, and this is 3 roots. So I'll just write make 1 plus this one. It will be cube root, cube root, okay, cube root, this is 3, 197, 197, exponential 2k only, pi divided by 3, okay? Also, you can, I'll try to put in front. So this is the roots learners. I wish that you got the point. Okay. Okay. Now it comes here. I will use xk. Okay, yk is that. Okay, means that we got 2xk. Now it comes here to explain this for you. Okay, k from 0 to 3, from 0 to 3, okay, 0, 1, 2, I will erase this one, okay, minus plus 5, this is 0, 1, 2, and 3, okay, erase the rest, okay, of course I will use this another time, and then I will erase this, okay. Okay. So, okay, minus. Okay, Lauren, so we just. Okay, Bosnia. High school party. Okay. So, xk equal. If you want to find xk, you will just replace xk with this, okay? It will be minus L0 plus. I'll try to take this, okay. Okay. Plus 5 times this. Okay. And the rest, it will be like that. What is it? This one. Copy. And this. 5 times this. Okay. Then the rest no need class. Now we solved the question perfectly with no mistake learners. So it's not easy in fact, okay, but if you use the discriminant formula of Mourad Sultan Ezouidi, you will never make mistakes, okay? What else? What else? What else? Okay. So this one is the roots of polynomial to the power 5 terms. If you want to, okay, this is the roots of the new polynomial to the power 5 that had been derived from the polynomial to the power 5, the origin polynomial to the power 5. Thank you for listening. Now I will tell you something. We told that the first root is okay. This is of course the one. Okay, 0. Mhm. Here we should ignore what exactly? 2 times 1 minus 1 is 0. So 1 ignored. With 2, 3. Okay, yes. Only yes. Okay, for 2, 5. Okay, for 3, 7. For 4, 9. 9 divided by 3, 3. Okay. Mhm. Okay, now learners, I will give you, I'll just make this one, save. Then I will go to GeoGebra and see how this kind of question will be solved. Okay, just a moment. Okay, thank you for listening. We finished, let's say, our lecture. لينا حندرس بقى this one. So I will go to GeoGebra. Yeah, Ayub, close the door, Ayub. Ayub, probably close the door. The last 3 minutes, close the door. This is x raised to the power 5 minus x raised to the power 4, then plus 15 divided by 36, we told 15 divided by, oh my god, 10, plus 15 divided by 36, 15 divided by 36, with man, of course, x3, x raised to the power 3, okay, minus x squared, plus 603, plus 603 divided by 200 divided by 216, of course, x, okay, minus yes, minus 500, minus 594, I thought, divided by 1296, 296. With you, my wife, equals 0. Okay. Yes, it's mine. Yes. For you, charge of you. Look, here, here. Yes, yes. So this one we told equal to what? Equal. Okay. Equal or plus. So equal zero. Equal zero. Okay. This is an equation. And here you can see that. Okay, this is the polynomial that we solve it. Comes here. Okay, comes Mr. Murad. Okay, this one. Polynomial. Of course, here 6, okay, 6, 4, 6, 5. This polynomial. Okay, comes here. Okay, this is we told 6, 4, 6, 4, 6, 5. Okay, I will make bigger, smaller, make like that. Okay, 604. Okay, 5. Correct. Correct. Here 5. Here, of course, 6 raised to the power 6 raised to the power. Okay. Okay, this one 6. This is 4. This is 6. Okay, and this one comes 5. Okay, 5. Okay, 5 equal, of course, equal what, learns? Equal 0. This is my that I gave to GeoGebra. Okay, I will tell him solve. You see, he can't solve prime to the power 5. Okay, I'll give you another chance. We told that equal 0. Okay, solve. You see, okay, no problem. I will make this Control C, Control copy. So GeoGebra can't solve this kind of question. Okay, he used the approximation method, he used the Newton method, but he can't use. Okay, he can't solve. Okay, now, Mr. Murad. Okay, sorry, he can't solve this one. He can solve. Okay, now I will go to here. I'll come as here learns. I will go to ChatGPT. Look what happened. ChatGPT learns is that he can't also gave it some example, but he can't solve. He can't do it. He can do nothing. Okay. Okay, ChatGPT or solve. Okay, solve. Just a minute. Give me. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I thought here. I'll see if it is here or not. Okay, Control V. Yes, this one. This one plus no need. I will close it. You see, I don't tell graph. قلت solve for x. I will close this. It was okay. Thank you for listening, learners. I will see you inshallah next time. Okay. Stop sharing. Okay. This is class. Close it. And this is closed, of course. Oh my god.